Yes, beautiful people, how are you doing, guys? Hope you're doing good. Welcome to my channel here, Onga Junior. Let me just greet you good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on the time zone and the time you're gonna watch the video, guys. So it's amazing morning, guys, and the time I'm filming this video here, just it is around 11:03 a.m. That's morning hours, that's morning hours. And I want to thank you guys for the time, for the support you've given me all along. I really appreciate you guys, and continue supporting me in every video, in every step I make. I always say that we celebrate each and every achievement we make together. It's our achievement, and I thank God for everything. So guys, welcome you once again to my beautiful channel here, Onga Junior. As you can just see, I'm in the village still, and the things are just amazing here. Today I've just visited the garden, the garden here, my kitchen garden here, our kitchen garden here. I don't have a kitchen. My mom has a kitchen here, and I'm the one who does most of the job here. I'm the one who plant the crops here. So I don't have a kitchen yet because I'm not married, but my mom has got a kitchen. Let me call it my mom's kitchen, but I'm the one who does everything here. So I just come here to inspect the crops here, some crops, the vegetables we planted some days back here. And guys, you saw that day when we were planting some vegetables here, you saw how we are doing it. And I'm very glad that they are doing good, they're doing good. And I just want to show you the progress, how they are doing. I just want to show you how they are doing here, guys. So you're also going to leave a comment there. Leave a comment on how can see on what you have seen on the kales, on the vegetables, the progress, Leave a sweet comment there. I really appreciate. And this is the work now, guys. This is the work here. You can see how they are doing. They're still young. They're still young, yes, still very young. But so these are weeds here. I can decide to uproot the weeds here. I can decide to uproot this weed this way. I'm tell you, I'm a farmer in the village here. So before I come with the hoe, there's a hoe here, the small jembe that we use to weed them. You can just do this way. You can see what I'm doing here. Just remove these weeds here because it is raining too much in the village here, and it is raining too much in the village. Even if you weed them, they will just regrow immediately. So what you can do is just to maybe just come and uproot them this way. And after this, we're gonna put some manure here, the cow dung. Those who are in the village, they know what cow dung is. They are used for manure. The cow dung, I'm gonna use them for manure. I'm gonna put each and every kale here, gonna have a cow dung, each and every kale, you're gonna put some cow dung here. So this is how we do it, guys, in the village here. This is how we do it. And this is money, guys. This is money. But the good thing here now that you can't spend money on buying kales, You don't spend money on buying vegetables because already they're here. So we don't spend too much money on the kales. I wanted to do the tomatoes as well, and even the onions. I love organic stuffs, I love organic stuffs. So I wanted to do the onions and the tomatoes as well. You can see they're still just growing. They're not yet big. They're still in the young stage of growth. So there's a I was going to look for the tomatoes and the onions, yes, still, and I want to plant those ones as well. So that's how it is being done here, guys. This is how you can remove the weeds from these young crops here. This is what you can do. Just remove the weeds here from the young crops here. If you don't have the hoe, or if you don't want to use the hoe, that small jembe there, just uproot these ones here. This is what you do here. You can see how it is doing. They're doing good, They're really doing good. So this is village life, This is village life. These are village life, yeah. This is how we live in the village here, and the things are just amazing. Actually, I prefer the life in the village because it is purely organic lifestyle, Organic lifestyle, unlike the village in the city, It is purely organic lifestyle. Just do things organically. The crops, the food you eat, how you do your things are just purely organic. So long as there is enough rain, you can plant, So it's a very nice life, a very nice lifestyle here. You can see, and what they are doing. These are the kales here. You can see how they are doing. You can see how the kales are doing here. And this one's also another types of vegetables. This one's here. It's called osuga. I don't know how sugar is being called in English, but you can see them. You can see the progress here. Even that side, this side, I'm going to show that side as well. I'm going to show you that. The other side, I'm going to show you also. Those are also another kales we planted yesterday. There was another kales here. Now you can see these ones here, how they're doing. They're really beautiful and amazing, you know. These are the vegetables, guys. These are vegetables here. These are vegetables, and a very nice one called osuga. We call them osuga. This one's here. You can see how they're doing the progress. They're just amazing. And this is even flower. These one need to be harvested, to be picked, plucked. You know, we pluck them. We pluck them. This one need to be plucked. Hello. Yes, you can see them. You know, these are another types of kales. We call them osuga. Very nice vegetable here. Very nice vegetable here. They're doing good here. You can see. I can just remove the weeds from them. But they're doing good. They are doing good. So we are also welcome. Welcome visitors. You know, just come and enjoy. Just come and enjoy this stuff here. Just come and enjoy vegetables in the village here. You have to be very keen when removing this weeds here. You have to be very keen when removing the weeds here. You know, this is how you do it. This is how you do it. You know, these are purely organic, guys. These are purely organic stuff, you know. These are purely organic stuff here. So just I visited these crops here and to check how they are doing, the progress, and I've just found things are amazing here. Things are really amazing here. So my mom will not be spending money in buying the vegetables, you know. She'll not be enjoying vegetables at home here, organic ones, organic stuff here. She won't be spending money buying the vegetables because already they're here. This is a weed. You have to pluck it that way. You have to do it that way because there's a weed there. So guys, you can see they're doing good. They're doing good. Amazingly good, you know. They're doing amazingly good here. So these ones I've done with these ones here, and you can see this point here. We also planted some yesterday here. See these ones here, these young ones, these young crops here. These ones we planted yesterday, and you can see how they are doing. These ones we planted yesterday. They are basically for consumption, you know. But I'm planning on doing a very large scale. I'm planning to do a large scale on cropping vegetables, you know. I'm planning to do a large scale where I can sell the money, can sell the crops there, the vegetables to other customers, you know. So these ones we planted yesterday, you can see. Even these ones here, these are just crops here planted yesterday. You can see them. I'm planning on doing a large scale farming very soon, in the near future. I'll do a very large scale farming here. So this point also is another type of vegetable. We call it kunde or bo. We call it kunde. This is another type of vegetable here. We call it kunde. But these ones have been harvested. These ones have been harvested, you know. These ones are harvesting. Already we are eating them. You can see them here. They're also doing nice, amazingly good. They're also doing amazingly good. So over here also you can see the banana plantation. This one I've been telling you guys many times, you know. The banana plantation here. This is a pawpaw. This is a pawpaw plant here. There's a sun there. So the sun there. Just it's morning, still morning here. And I'm just walking in this garden here, this kitchen garden here. You can see how things are, you know. Things are amazing. Things are amazingly good here. The bananas are doing good as well. They're bearing fruits. You can see. And this one here, oh wow, this is really good. These need to be harvested. These need to be harvested. You can see this banana need to be harvested. But there's some bird that was staying here. You can see a nest here. This is a nest. There's a nest here. That bird that's got a nest there on this one here. But this one need to be harvested. This one I need to harvest. This is a sugar cane here. This sugar cane here is different from the other one. This one is being for consumption. This one here. But the other one for this. The other one is for commercial purposes. The other one is for commercial purposes here. So we planted some as well here. You can see that some we planted here. This young ones here. This one we will weed them later. We'll do some weeding later. You can see them. They're coming up many. They're coming up there many. So this is all the update in the village here, guys. And I love how things are going on. I love how things are doing good here. How things are just amazing. You know, it's really beautiful, and I love it. It's really beautiful, and I love it. So I've told you how to you can as well uproot can clear the weeds when you don't have to dig it from the crops there. And I hope you have enjoyed, guys. Hope you have enjoyed the video and the update on those crops there. You know, hope you have enjoyed everything there.